Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. GPT-powered email. Segmentation. Double your revenue by sending the right offer to the right subscribe. Email isn't dead. It's the silent powerhouse driving average creators more net profit than every social platform combined. Yet most sellers blast the same generic offer to everyone, leaving piles of money on the table. So in day 11 of our 30-day AI side hustle challenge, you'll plug GPT-powered dynamic segmentation into MailerLite or ConvertKit to double, even triple revenue by matching each subscriber to precisely the product they're most likely to buy. All in less than 2 hours and with zero coding beyond simple Zapier steps, meaning your list becomes an always-on cash dispenser that costs nothing to run and compounds value every time someone opens an email. First, accept the core principle. Relevance beats frequency. A 1,000 subscriber list broken into 3 interest cohorts can outperform a 10,000 subscriber list treated as one blob because personalized subject lines boost open rate 30%, tailored recommendations boost click-through 50%, and targeted scarcity nudges conversions off the charts. Step 1. Collect behavioral data automatically. Open MailerLite, go to Automation. Triggers, add a rule. When subscriber clicks link containing gluten-free, tag gluten-free interest. Repeat for keywords budget, meal plan, AI design. Zapier alternative, create webhook that listens to Gumroad purchases, adds tag buyer product in MailerLite list. Step 2. Import historical clicks. In MailerLite campaigns, accordion export lasts 30 days, click tracking. Filter by URL slug, bulk tag those subscribers now, so GPT has immediate behavioral gold. Step 3. Build GPT prompt template that drafts hyper-relevant emails. In OpenAI Playground test, act as email copy AI. I sell digital planners on Etsy. Subscriber tagged and tags. Generate subject line 40 chars, preview text 60 body. 120-150 words with 1 emoji, 1 benefit bullet, 1 urgency line, call to action shop now linking to URL. Replace placeholders. Note when tags include gluten-free interest, GPT references no gluten meal ideas. When budget interest, it references saving $50 Ricky. Copy prompt to Zapier OpenAI action. Step 4. Assemble segmentation automation. Zap trigger. New tag added in MailerLite. Filter path for tag contains gluten-free interest. Action. OpenAI create email. Next action, MailerLite send single email using GPT output. Duplicate Zap for each tag. Budget, recipe kids, side hustle tools, or build one Zap with conditional paths to minimize tasks. Step 5. Attach dynamic discounts. In Etsy, create coupon codes. GF20, budget 15. Kids 25, limited to 100 uses each, expires 7 days. Zap passes correct code in GPT prompt as for coupon variable. Scarcity plus relevance skyrockets conversions. Step 6. Safeguard deliverability. Set daily send cap per segment at 800 to avoid spam traps. Use MailerLite's built-in time warp feature so emails land 9 a.m. local time regardless of subscriber zone, raising open rates globally. Step 7. Implement interest ascension logic. After a subscriber buys budget planner, tag budget buyer. Trigger new automation sequence. Day 1, thank you. Day 3, cross-sell meal planner. Day 7, upsell premium license. GPT prompt reads, if tag contains budget buyer but not meal plan buyer, suggest meal planner. Minimal code, max revenue. Step 8, retrofit day 2. 5 email funnel. Insert GPT dynamic snippet blocks in MailerLite / custom field. So a single template personalizes product images, testimonials, and coupon codes based on tags. Embed a hidden merge tag line near bottom for internal analytics. Segment, thatch, tags. So you verify segmentation accuracy on send. Step 9. Harvest soft signals. Add a mini poll to each email footer, which describes you. A. New to meal planning. B. Gluten-free household. C. Side hustle curious. Each option uses a unique quick link redirect through Switchy. When clicked, Switchy fires Zapier new click. Add tag. Poll response tagging often surfaces interest subscribers never wrote in forms. Step 10. Deploy a 7-day A/B variation. A standard broad email to entire list. Variation B GPT segmented series. In MailerLite. Experiment view. Track open, click, revenue. Stopping rule. When GPT version outperforms revenue by 20% for 3 consecutive days, sunset broad blasts for good. Step 11. Insert retention hooks in emails. Day 3. Message includes a shareable tip graphic created in Canva. Top 5 gluten-free swaps. Ask readers to forward to a friend. Include share emoji. Track new opt-ins via unique referral tag field, referred by GF. Step 12. Automate list hygiene. Set rule. If subscriber hasn't opened 6 emails in 45 days, tag ColdLid, move to re-engagement flow, GPT drafts, subject still want meal hacks, body offers freebie PDF. If unopened after 3 pings, unsubscribe, higher list quality preserves deliverability. Step 13. Set weekly KPI dashboard in Notion. Command page. Embed MailerLite. Revenue by segment, subscribers added, share rate. Quick glance reveals if gluten-free cohort buying more printables but budget audience ignoring upsells. Act accordingly. Step 14. Film a 15-second shorts teaser, screen record mailer, light dashboard spiking after GPT segments, overlay text, 1 AI tweak doubled my email sales, call to action link to full day 11 tutorial, shorts funnel new viewers into series. Step 15. Scale segmentation to product development. Export top-clicked keywords per segment to Notion. Idea backlog. Filter where click rate, 35%. Send ChatGPT prompt to design next product bundle for that exact interest. Feedback loop between email intel and product roadmap. Now imagine numbers. A list of 2,000 warm leads. Broad blasts generate 4% click, 2% conversion, $10 AOV. $16 revenue. Segmented, 28% open, 8% click, 5% convert, $12 AOV due to targeted upsell, $96 revenue, 6x uplift with same list size, compounding weekly. Your day 11 action plan. Tag top 3 behavioral interests, build 1 GPT prompt template, connect MailerLite plus OpenAI and Zapier, launch discount code, send segmented test tomorrow, and screenshot revenue jump for community bragging rights. Smash like if you're implementing GPT segmentation tonight, comment email AI on, subscribe, and share. Day 12 reveals how to turn ChatGPT into a 24/7 customer support chatbot that answers Etsy questions, upsells bundles, and eliminates inbox overwhelm, giving you even more time to create. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Likes, comments.